Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and fix your Lycamobile no service problem over here. But before that, please to make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, now we will simply start our video. So for that matter, the very first thing for you to simply be accessing your Lycamobile on your phone. So the thing is, when you access your Lycamobile, or say let's say you are having a particular problem regarding the mobile's no service, the very first thing have to be you have to access your panel and then see if you are in the area where you have a good network connection, because if you do not have a good network connection, that can simply cause that particular problem to occur. Once you have checked on it, you're also gonna go to your phone's settings and see if you have allowed the service to work or not. Or what you can do is you can simply remove the SIM from the slots. If you have a dual SIM slots, it might be because there is some problem within it. It might not be perfectly inserted. You can remove it and insert it again and see if it fixes or not. Other thing that you can do is you can go to Lycamobile settings itself, and let's see if you have taken the data roaming package of data from the Lyca itself or not. Because if you do not have, then when you try to access it, it won't show any of the services because you don't have any plan access from the access itself. So for that, simply access your Lycamobile app, go to this plan section and go to this top up now and top up the money and get yourself a data roaming plan, access it, and then you will be able to fix your no service just likewise over here. So these are some of the solutions for you. Make sure to try all of them and you will be able to fix your problem. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.